What's going on, everyone? Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Thanks for joining me on the channel here on my off-grid property in the high desert of Arizona near Sholo. 7,000 feet, getting it comfortable, love running everything on solar. But the big question, Eric, what do you do with your trash out in the middle of nowhere? I'll tell you. Yeah, thanks for joining me, everyone. Please consider subscribing to this channel. You'll see more of the stuff I'm doing here on my off-grid base camp here in Arizona. Lots and lots of people have been asking me, what am I doing with my trash? We are going to cover that today, I promise. But first, a quick thank you to my video sponsor. Thank you, ExpressVPN, for sponsoring this video today. I am lucky to have so many online shipping options available to get products and services while on the road as a nomad, but is that always safe for me? I've had my passwords stolen, my accounts hacked, my debit card information copied, all prior to having ExpressVPN, which I've now had for over 3 years on the road. I put it on my iPhone, I put it on my MacBook Pro. Whenever I'm on an unsecured Wi-Fi connection, ExpressVPN reroutes my network data through a secure server, so it stays encrypted and safe. And you can choose from over 90 different countries to reroute your connection. There is a simple and easy to use app available right on your desktop or your phone. Just open the app, pick my location here, tap connect. There we go. Now I'm safe online. But security is not all you get. Netflix. I love my Netflix. I'm binge watching Ozark right now. I love it. But using Netflix without ExpressVPN is like paying for the buffet at Disney World, but only getting to use 1/4 of what's available out there. What, I can't get into the Tater Tots? Psst. Yeah, Netflix actually does restrict certain shows based on the country where you are accessing it from. There's hundreds of shows that you can unlock simply by changing your location through the ExpressVPN app. I'll just switch my location to, say, Canada. Wait for it to connect here, and unlock all the laughs of Everyone Loves Raymond right here in the United States. You deserve what you pay for, right? Find out how you can get 3 months of ExpressVPN for free by clicking the link in the video description below this video, or check out expressvpn.com/nomadic. And thanks again, ExpressVPN, for sponsoring this video. Yeah, so everybody keeps asking me, what do I do with my trash here at base camp? And I'm gonna go over that right now. I'm gonna tell you some options you have. I'm also gonna tell you what a lot of people do. Now, I don't have one yet, but I'm going to get a 55-gallon oil drum type of basin with a grate so that I can burn all my cardboard. Yeah, I've already been burning some cardboard at night when the wind dies down. You can't do it in the day because there seems to be this constant stream of wind here in Arizona. But I will burn my cardboard because it takes up a lot of space. Also, the most common way to dispose of your trash here in this area of Arizona, what pretty much all of my friends do, is they load it up somewhere, they put it in the back of their truck, and then once a week or once every 2 weeks, they take their trash to the trash refuse center about 6 miles down the road, and you pay per bag. You can imagine that's a little difficult when you don't have a truck, though. I have an RV, and I have a smart car. Not really convenient for trash, right? Luckily, I was pretty smart when I bought this property because I knew it was right on a main county road that had power available at the road, as well as I saw some trash bins. So, although I have tried this once before in Illinois with a terrible company in Republic, I am now very, very thankful to be able to take my trash and literally throw it in my own garbage can. Tomorrow is trash day, by the way. I'm so happy. So they do a roadside pickup at the end of my driveway over there, and it's really, really reasonable out here in the country, considering it's $30 a month. If you do auto pay, they will dump this trash from the road right there every single week for me. I don't have to haul anything. Are there cheaper ways? Yeah, as I've mentioned, there are cheaper ways. Is it easier? Me personally, I think we're all different. I think I will pay a little bit of a premium to have my trash picked up at the street so that I don't have to haul it in one of my vehicles and leave with my trash. I also don't have to have trash laying around somewhere smelling, stinking, bringing coyotes and everything else. Gotta wheel it to the road. It makes me happy. I don't know, it's like a rite of passage, right? My garbage situation did not work too well in Illinois when I had a house for a small period of time, but here homesteading, this is, thank you.
24 hours later.
Now, I don't consider myself very much of a handyman. However, I can get stuff done. YouTube is usually my friend. If I'm trying to do something and I want to figure it out, and I'll look it up on YouTube, or I'll research and try to figure out how things are going. Plumbing wise, I thought I had a really good idea here. No, I missed something. This is one of my dump station caps here. It's a 4-inch that goes to my septic here on the property. And for right now, he's got a normal cap. Of course, this is way too high. It's like 12 inches up in the air. It needs to be way down here. And if I want to dump the RV into one of these two, you know, still, yeah, it's going to be too high. And also, what's going to keep it from not falling out? So that's what I went to Amazon, and I got a 4-inch RV style. So this unscrews, and then it has the inner thread right there for your dump station so that it's airtight, right? So this is a 4-inch version, and look, 4-inch does not connect to 4-inch magically in the plumbing world. Just something that I wouldn't know. I'm not a professional plumber. I would think that if you bought a 4-inch cap for a 4-inch pipe, it would work. But apparently what I need is a smaller pipe that goes in here, and I did get the right kind of joint compound to put in here, and then you put the smaller diameter in here that sticks out like this, and then put the joint compound here, and then this will go on here, except this will be really, really low to the ground like that. But something that I missed. I need a reducer. I need a 4-inch insert. So once again, I am not going to be able to complete this project today. I even went to Home Depot and got me a PVC saw specifically for sawing this. And sometimes, no matter what you do, you're just going to take one more trip. Can't do that. I tried though. Also, unfortunately for me, it looks like my buddy Robert is not going to make it this summer. That really bums me out. I could really use his help with certain stuff around the property, and just common knowledge like that. He probably would have known to get the right inner adapter, but who knows? Things could change. I've also been talking with RV Prepper Wayne down in Florida. He's got some work up in the Tennessee area this summer, and I'm trying to get him over here to not that I'm lonely. I mean, I am kind of lonely, but, you know, I also have some friends that if they want to make some money, I got some projects here that we can work on together. But, yeah, it's like Robert may not be joining me this summer. I got to mount the KFC sign on the side and put some LED lights behind it. I've got cornhole set up here, regulation boards, and it's all right. I'll practice up cornhole. Oh! 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 You want to go? All right, I'll go for you. Blue wins. It's always quiet when I film my videos, but I've got my, I don't want to get copyright flagged, so I got my music speaker box set up in Babe the Blue Box, and I've got my Apple Watch. I can just pause the music whenever I want to film. By the way, not sure if I even mentioned, it's the next day. That's why the trash can's back in its place. I'm wearing the same shirt for day 2, but I live alone out here. I really don't care. I want to show you a plant back here that seems to have magically come up overnight. It is the only one on my property like this, and I don't remember it last week. It definitely sticks out. Felix came over the other day, and he said that this looks almost like aloe vera. I think it's a sort of palm tree, or palm family. But right now, dang it, I should have took a picture. This looked a lot nicer. These were yellow, and here, they were like open, like flowers. And they were beautiful. Now it almost looks dead. Or maybe it is part of a cactus family, because these things, those are very sharp. You know what, it might be a cactus, but all you Arizona high desert peeps, can anybody tell me what this plant is? Because it's pretty unique. Or if there's any tips you have on me saving it, because again, it looked a lot better yesterday when I took the trash out. Today it looks bad. Other than that, guys, I'm really strangely satisfying, enjoying life out here at my property. Like, a lot more than I thought I would. I've been looking forward to this all winter. However, I don't think I realized how happy I was really gonna be out here at my own off-grid camp after traveling, living in an RV for 13 years. I'm really enjoying this downtime, but yeah, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm just sharing the progress as I go along in case y'all want to do something like this later. I'm learning from a bunch of friends too, but sharing my mistakes. I got to get the water situation taken care of, hopefully in my next video, okay? So stay tuned, guys, and Opie and Tara and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.